Are you getting it?
Oh,
dang. This is a first on race week. Chickens. It is a great morning. We slept at Trevor's last night. Our hotel was rough. Weren't about it. So we were out. Trevor hooked us up, helped us out. And today we got a 320-mile drive. So we're gonna try to do that in a few. Just editing. But it should be a cool day. All right, let's see if Sam can do this. Yeah, Sam's got the touch.
What are you going to say, huh?
Brett, what do you think?
I love it.
It's been a while.
I know. I haven't seen a hot minute.
I haven't driven it anywhere near you guys in like 2 years.
I know.
It's
like a lot of fun.
Yeah, this is wicked. Garrett called us because he's gonna hypnotize the chicken.
Scalpel.
He'll sit there for like an hour.
No way.
Yeah. See you later, bro.
You're done.
It is so weird. There we go.
Yeah.
We're out of here. Yeah, 2,500. Evo wagons. That is super cool. This thing's sick. Well, this is gorgeous. So go to Motion Auto TV, get some merch, help them out, save their butts.
Alright guys, it's a little early for me to be filming normally, but everybody's yelling at me. I have to get a camera. I don't even know what's going on. Hey, this is early for me to be filming, but what's going on?
So we ran into this guy that's got a CRV.
Okay.
And he's got a spare one, and since my drive shaft is trashed, he offered his drive shaft right here in the parking lot, so we're gonna yank it.
This is a total Shane and Harvey story.
You said this guy's going to give you his drive shaft off his car. He drove here to this
Right
gas
now.
station.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Rad.
At least it's in a CRV this time for you to crawl under. You don't need to jack it up.
It's all right. I'll be fine too.
So we make him crawl under like slammed cars to pull drive shafts.
Oh, cool.
No. And Shane's already halfway done.
I know.
He's got the carrier out of it. You got the carrier out already?
I got both drive shaft loops and I'm doing the carrier now.
Yes. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning.
not even.
It's 8:15.
It's 8:15. It's not even 8:30.
We're pulling drive shafts in the
And
parking lot.
your sweater is dirty.
It's
your
keeping me
hands
clean.
are black. Yeah. Yeah, sweater's keeping you clean.
Yeah.
There you go. We need to get you a hair tie next.
You're not wrong.
Shane needs
somebody
get him a scrunchie.
Hey, girls, anybody got a scrunchie? Shane needs a scrunchie. She's got You coming out this way or the other way with it? This way? Oh, there it is. Here you go, Harvey. Harvey.
Yo, look at that. Sick.
There you go, buddy.
Is one bolt still in it?
No.
On the back? No.
Dude, that's so awesome.
Take care of her.
Shane,
Yeah.
good job getting dirty already.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right on, man.
I need a discount on it.
Yeah. Right on. Thanks, man. We appreciate you, bro.
When you guys come down to Pueblo, if you guys need anything, they got my number. I got parts.
Right on. That's great, man. We can't tell you how much we appreciate it.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you guys. I watch y'all every day.
Heck yeah.
You guys
Thanks,
got my
man.
soul popping.
Heck yeah. Thanks. All right, guys, so we made it to our first checkpoint of the day. Shane, how's the heat treating you?
Good.
Good? You guys doing pretty good?
Just cruising.
All right, Mario is back to only having 4 gears. And so he's getting a little warm, keeping up. So they're gonna strap the hood on the roof because we figured out that's like 20-degree difference in the Integra with the hood off of it. So we tried this morning with the hood on, didn't work.
Alright, I'll get you some water.
All right, guys, so we're at a silo in the middle of Kansas. Harvey. Oh, Harvey, you're having a trip, man.
Yeah, I am. This car from day one has made me work for it no matter what I do. So everything on this car has been a struggle.
Yeah.
And
so
here we are again.
you got a new co-pilot here, and he's digging in. So what we got going on, Harvey is losing all of his oil pressure, and it's clacking a little bit. So we stopped before it got too bad. He's thinking about what to do here. So Shane,
Already really dark.
okay. So we're
Already really dark.
oil's dark.
Yeah.
So Shane's gonna dump the oil out of it and dump the pan off of it, and we're gonna at least check the bearings real quick, see how bad they are. If we could roll a bearing in it and gimp it back, I mean, all he has to do is break the beam, maybe hit them up and see if they have a bearing. It's GSR crank.
Are you kidding me?
It is.
What?
GSR 96 GSR.
Is it
Integra GSR.
crank?
Yes,
95.
yeah.
GSR crank.
95 GSR crank. All right, so Dan's gonna check parts stores. We got rain. I'm gonna roll up my windows. We're gonna get this going. That looks super thin.
It's just because it's in the pan. It's good.
Okay.
And that's 2050 VR1 and 2 quarts of Rotel.
And when did this, that went in?
20 minutes ago.
Pass me the pan because I want to look in.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Okay, Shane,
Yeah.
pull the windage off. I want to see what bearing this is. Because that's,
It's cooked in it.
yeah, we're cooked it.
It must be a main because all these rods look nice and gray.
Well,
I mean, I guess they could have spun underneath, but none of them have gotten hot yet.
okay. Okay.
Just a little oil on my face.
Since we don't, Gun coming, Shane.
It was a little hot.
Yeah.
On the neck.
Hey Shane, at least it's not in the middle of the night this time.
Yeah.
When the track's yelling at us
Track
to
guy
leave.
waiting on us to get out of there.
That was fun. And this oil keeps draining farther away from it, and it just looks uglier.
Let's go.
Oh. Hold on. Can you hold for me, somebody? Oh yeah. See, you squish the lock.
Trying to keep as much debris out of it as possible.
Yep, I got a rag up here to undebris.
Shane, you want a burrito?
That'd be awesome.
Yeah. We could use a burrito.
Oh,
Right on, I got you.
Thank you.
Shane, does your fingernail catch the crank at all right there?
A little bit. Here, keep it.
Across a couple different states.
Oh, that one was coming out the side.
Top squares.
Yeah, that one was coming out the side. So, all right. So this is the top bearing. It's breaking the side off. It pinched the lock. It really squished that side. Really squished the opposite side of the lock. And then, so that's the top. And the bottom pinched the side and also rolled the lock. Okay, Shane, put this one back in.
Look good, yeah?
Yep, four's fine. Four's fine. Put that one back in, sing it down.
She's in Liberal, Kansas.
Super excited for today. It is the last day of Rocky Mountain Race Week. We have locked in the win for overall and for our ultimate radial class. But today they are having a shootout. So in the shootout, it's a heads up race. It means we have to win each round to keep moving forward. So we're gonna try to swing for it. We're gonna put in a hot tune-up. We're gonna try to go for that 6. We feel pretty good about today. So I wanna mention how proud I am of Jamie, Dan, Mario, and Harvey. Those guys have been out here swinging. It is so cool to watch them working hard, flying, and really changing a lot of opinions on import drag racing. Those guys are out here crushing it. And how about Mario? Rating 9s almost at every track except for one. Yeah, when he stripped the transmission. But he has been just crushing it. His little Honda Prelude. So pretty rad. Congratulations, Mario. Something pretty wild last night. Harvey and Shane, 120 miles from the track, they ended up having to change rod bearings. Now Shane, he's a diehard. That kid's gonna be such a legend, and I'm super proud of him. They'll be all out here today ripping with us, so I've got to get on mullet right now, getting in race car mode, and getting ready for the day. guys, we just noticed this back window is all blown up. Holy crap. Let's get those guys and start getting this cleaned up. Maybe we can find a vacuum. All right, so that's the two-step. It sure changes things.
I know, I had to use the spooler because now our tune-up is like, it's so messy from like all the altitude changes and stuff,
Yeah.
the fueling's off, but I don't want to two-step it all day, so, because we just use the button.
It sure works. It made it come up so fast.
Okay.
Been working this far. Man, it was lazy and then and came right up.
Unless I just flash in like the fuel map from the first day. They do that.
Yeah, I mean that
probably
would work.
the smartest
Yeah, it's probably a smart thing. Yeah. All right, we're gonna check it again with the map with the fuel map from day one.
That was no nitrous.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
that's pretty good. 100%. All right, how's it going, Jamie?
It's going. We made it here. We've learned a lot this year.
Yeah.
Mario's
a badass.
is a badass. Mario
Yeah.
is the badass.
Yeah, he is the badass.
He is the badass. Dan
Yeah,
is the most consistent 10-0 index car.
I know. There's just
He just needs to ride first out, and he knows it, and he's gonna do it.
he needs to launch
And
8,000
honestly-
RPM to ride it, and
Honestly,
shit.
I might just throw my wheels and tires on it after he turns the slip in, because that
Yeah.
might do it too.
That might do it too. Yes,
Might do
sir.
it to a little more meat because it is knocking the tire off a little bit first. That's why he's grabbing it, because he thinks he's there.
Yeah.
And then Harvey, he made it.
Wasn't that
Real quick,
something?
There was one moment where he's like, "Yep, motor's done," and I said, "Hold on, Shane, dive under there and pull the pan."
Yeah.
He dove under, pulled the pan, got it fixed, got it here.
Unbelievable.
We just
Shane
figured-
is an MVP.
Oh, yeah, 100%. And then we figured out that with the Integra, all we've done for 2 years is change the oil twice. It's got the same plugs in it, everything. Fun fact, it did the same average to the 100 as it did last year.
That's what it does. You should do well today in the bracket.
Yeah, it is what it is.
I can't wait to see.
That
That's
is
for
a
sure.
1040 car.
It is.
Robin Christie made it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Sean in the GTO still doesn't have a caliper on the left rear, but
Oh man,
he made it.
this
It's
whole
still-
way no
it's still
caliper.
touch.
Done really good in your squad.
Yeah.
It's been
Yeah,
cool.
we have a nice big group.
Yep.
We have High D every once in a while. Every once in a while. And we
It's
got
awesome to
Eric
have
here.
you here, and having Eric out here is just awesome.
He's standing over there.
We're gonna zoom on Eric. I hope he mean mugs me. He's great. He is great.
That was a good pose.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good pose. So yeah, no, we've been trucking right along.
Yeah, this is cool.
Me and
There he is. Did I get that mean mug?
that's a pal.
Western.
It's nice having you out
Hang
here.
out with Eric for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Can't take him serious ever.
He's great.
Wait till I show you a video later.
Oh, easy.
Easy. Yeah.
Bringing the vibe this morning. I can't wait.
You are a vibe. I love it. It's great.
Yeah, we're ready to bracket race. I'm not much of a bracket racer.
Yeah.
We got Mario in the heads up stuff. You guys are in the heads up stuff.
Yeah, we're in the heads up stuff.
George is in the heads up stuff.
George is in the heads up stuff.
I am like most proud of George. Like
George he's been crushing it.
That's a hell of a machine to listen to driving down the road that long.
Yeah, it's so
And
fun
they've
too.
broken some stuff, and they're just, man, those two have been smiling.
They have a broken block.
They broke the block, the plate,
Yeah.
everything. And they're just smiling, going, man, it went fast.
And how about Zach, man? Zach, his crew,
That's what I'm saying.
that's the
Those
team.
two are a
That is
team.
the team.
And
Yeah.
Zach has no quit. George has no quit.
Yeah, it's great.
George just called, hey, I'm in the cornfield down here. What do I do?
And Sam's been out here just
Dude,
hooking us up.
stick shit, bro. Yeah, I want to be Sam.
I do too. And he has had just the time of his life. He's loving it.
Nobody smiles as much as that man.
He's done it. He's lived it. Heck yeah! But we're gonna get all set up and get all these cars in the lanes and start making some passes.
Yeah.
Finish this week out strong.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait till award ceremony. It's gonna be just
And it's
fantastic.
gonna be kind of earlier this year.
Yeah, me too. What a week, Dan.
Yeah, it's been a crazy one for sure.
You've been killing it though.
Thanks.
It's so cool. So you locked in third. You just gotta break the beams.
Gotta break the beams, and the car still runs, so I think we can handle that.
And then you break third and stick shift, or
Yeah.
you lock that up. That's sweet.
Yeah.
So proud of you, dude. That's so cool. This is not
I'm
an easy
excited.
thing to
Yeah, this
do
has been
in
a tough
anything.
week, tough week for sure.
And this is full exhaust, all this stuff.
We did pull off the connector from the downpipe to the catback to see if it'll go any quicker.
For now?
Yeah.
Just now? Awesome.
Oh, we did actually at the last track, and then we lost one of the bolts for the end. So then we had to drive that last stint with it disconnected, but it's whatever. It's still
That last drive was
it was
that was
man, that was rough.
a rough one, yeah, for us too.
It was like 150 miles of straight, just arrow straight road and nothing
Yeah.
to look at.
Nothing. But you're here in the
Yeah, we're here.
lanes.
Harvey's the one though. I mean,
Isn't that impressive?
Yeah.
That is
put rod
that's
bearings
something.
in that thing in the middle of a field, basically.
Crazy. You made it.
Right?
Harvey is here. As you guys heard, Shane was rolling bearings into this bad boy last night.
Yep.
Can't believe it, bro.
We made it.
This is awesome.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. You know, somebody asked me earlier in the week if I was addicted to the struggle. Hell yes, I'm addicted to the struggle.
It is.
That's exactly what this event's all about, man. It's, we had a lot
It
of
tests
problems.
you, that's for sure.
It tests you, it tests your car, it definitely shows you where your weaknesses are, and I'm addicted.
Yeah.
100%.
It's a good thing you just noticed the oil pressure dump and were able to get on it and save it.
Get it in time, yeah, before it, you know.
Did anything. And Gordo drove out some bearings out there.
Drove 4 hours, dropped us off with some bearings, and we tried to convince him to stay, but
He's a tough cookie to crack when he's got his mindset.
yeah.
But so Shane, so.
Yeah, Shane is incredible, man. He just jumped right underneath there, pulled the pan, and in 10 minutes the bearings were out. We saw what was wrong, and we were hoping the crank wasn't as bad as it was, but it is what it is. We threw bearings in it, we made it here, and that's what it's all about. This was the last stop, so.
Here we go.
Yep.
It actually sounds pretty smooth. I am so stinking proud of you, kiddo. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the Dune Addict here. Goofy Built Shane has put this thing together. Got him to the track. That's pretty cool. Harvey, the Dune Addict, out here doing it. Rock Mountain Race Week. And he's gonna finish it. Nice. Nice job, Harvey. Now we got Dan Willoughby shooting for that 9. That 9 has just, it's barely escaped him.
time. Yeah.
You might have got a plug.
Yeah, something. Buddy broke the beams and he finished the week. George, who'd you draw?
Mario Hernandez.
Ooh.
At least no matter what happens, we can be happy.
That's it. One of our buddies wins.
One more left.
Okay, call them out. Call them out.
I'm one red.
This guy number 2.
All right, so I'm not much of a bracket racer, so we're gonna try and figure this out. And we're racing Lucas, one of our own guys. So he dialed at 1350 compared to my 10.4, so I get to chase him down.
Let's go, Jamie!
And this is sportsman tree, so definitely not what I'm used to.
Jamie! There we go! Let's go! Jamie trying to run him down? Jamie with the wind light.
We might have got it. Man, that was a hard brake check. It is so hard to do that. I don't know how people bracket race like.
Bracket racer Jamie.
Good one, good one.
Well, we just completed Rocky Mountain Race Week for the 3rd year in a row.
Winner, winner! Mario, I don't know if you know what 187 means in California.
Homicide.
Exactly. Let's go, buddy. Did you guys see the number on his car? Hold on.
I ain't scared.
Love you, dog.
It ain't dying, I'm scared now.
I was secretly hoping for this all week.
Yeah, Mario.
Yeah,
It is a great start.
it is. Mario's such a good kid, so it's like, this is awesome. Thinks Mario had problems, but that's race week.
Did you hear him say?
A little bit.
Did you heir him say George is trying to PB also?
Yeah.
Door's good. All right, first round of the shootout. Here we go. Every round counts. Race week. Not sure what happened, man.
Dude, that traction control was ripping that thing.
It was ripping, but then what happened on top?
Must have got out of it for a reason.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
What happened?
I lost fuel pressure.
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah. No, it's something I was fighting at Pueblo on my last pass.
Yeah.
We thought it was maybe our fuel pump belt skipping, or maybe my keyway came out of my crank thing, but.
Well, man, I hate that for you.
Nah, dude, you
Thanks for letting me win.
Hey, dude. Make it home for me, then I can say I got second. If you win.
Better. What's going down? All right.
That's race week.
I can see it from here. It's about a foot or two out.
Crank man.
That bolt. I checked earlier this week. I caught it earlier this week. It was gonna come off.
What was it?
The crank mandrel.
The crank mandrel came off? The whole mandrel?
Yeah, I saw it earlier this week. The bolt backed out, and I got it, ran it back in. I should have double checked it again after that drive yesterday. There's my guy coming right now.
It was yelling for a minute. Did the same thing it did last we were leaving Pueblo.
We just lost the crank mandrel.
Oh, it's gone? That would make sense. That's why I said I think I lost fuel pressure.
You did.
Sure did.
Wow.
That's why it
That
happened.
bolt must have stripped.
Yeah. Damn it.
Hey, bro. It's okay.
Yeah.
We got the big trophy. This is the last day and we broke the beams. That's all I care about.
Overall win, locked in.
Overall win is done.
Yep, so it's a crank mandrel. Broke off, sheared off.
Back to back, you've been my shot.
And so we had no fuel pressure on the pump. Cost us the W.
Side.
Damn though. Good for JP. There it is.
Wow.
Hey, the bolt's still tight.
You got that camera.
That'll happen on these big jobs. They were saying you were nervous and stuff. I don't know why, man. It's a little Honda, and we found the limit to the O'Reilly's stock axle.
Lifetime warranty.
Dude, this thing shot out like a bullet. Hit the wall on the 1-2 shit.
That wasn't pretty, but he got it.
Yeah. Might have went a little wrench, maybe.
Maybe.
I see that thing out here, and that's got that.
What's up, Mr. Bracket Racer?
Trying to figure it out.
You're doing great. What do you got this round, you know?
GTP.
Oh man, GTP. All right. Well, Chase. Well, go get him, dude. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, so close. .1040 with a 1. Dang. What a pass, 1040 with a 1. Good pass, Jamie. You were right on your dial time. He just got you on that light. Dang, Jamie, going round.
I'm learning this bracket racing thing. I got it down, but I slept.
Yeah.
I literally was sleeping in the staging lanes for a minute.
Yeah, well, they kept you there a long time.
I took a nap, and then I took a nap. So I dialed at 10:40, and I went at 10:401.
Well, everyone had a super successful race week.
Yeah.
It's been awesome.
Oh yeah.
Great passes. Jason takes the win.
And we'll have a Hurley Ferguson finish with a $7,500 in the final.
George out here with a crack block. Kick your butt, man. Woo! Let's go, George. Woo! Let's go. Hell yeah. Woo! Hell yeah. Can you believe it? He's scared of what he did. And we lost all the teeth on the belt again.
Maybe next time we'll come with about 5-6 belts.
Yep, 1 per pass.
Yeah. Guess when you're running the blower this hard, you need that.
You need that little bit.
Yeah, we gotta go Kevlar belts.
Yep, for sure. Is that my problem, or am I not getting it tight enough?
No, it's tight enough. It's just Kevlar, you're running it so hard.
You want it tight. This thing's not going to grow any more than it already is. It's hot, so make it tight. Because if you have any slack in it, the aluminum's not going to expand anymore. You're just going to do the same thing with the T-valve. If you want, we can yank that Kevlar.
LS George in the final. What a drag race. Second place playing. Good job playing, man. Good job, Austin.
match battle off this year. Without this event, no, I can be freaking a lawyer. Thank you guys. It's been a dream to work for them, and that's how we got up the last 4 years we've done it. And really proud of the team and excited. So thanks, guys.
So, sir, this is a family. So I started doing the Rookie of the Year award with you a couple of years ago. We've done this. Apparently you got the Rookie Award that was picked earlier, and then you also got the Perseverance Award.
Wow.
And that mainly is because of where you did that.
You got a homemade trophy from Questionable Performance Solutions and a homemade trophy from Questionable Performance Solutions. That's awesome.
Harvey and Shane! Woo! Hell yeah! Let's go, Shane! Woo!
That's rad. So super cool. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, man. I couldn't have done it without Shane. I mean, you guys from PFI are the real deal. You guys are. I did Road Week last year in my sand rail, and what I did this year is nothing like Road Week. You guys are all badasses. This is insane. Thank you guys so much.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.